Hello friends, so in this MG Hector I want to make this parking knob. Now it is in parking condition. I want to make it in the neutral condition in the standby, because I had stopped the vehicle, and this thing happen when you are in some traffic and your battery or maybe some engine problem had happened and vehicle will not move. So to tow it or to make it in a neutral condition so that we can make it this vehicle to sideway of the road. So for that purpose I am doing this one thing in my car, this MG. So I had removed this cover of this MG Hector from this side, and there is a knob. You can see this white color knob is there inside it. So by this white knob we can make it a neutral condition. This knob, white color knob, you can see, and by this white knob we can make it the neutral condition. You don't require much more effort to push it. Directly by pushing this knob we can bring this knob in the neutral condition, and it's very easy to remove it because it is a very light and very delicate. So remove it properly. So thank you very much. This is very important. I was also not aware.